Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So today's video is going to be very exciting guys because I have a brand new smartphone to show you all. I think it's been a long time since I've actually made videos on smartphones, right? And that's why I have something really special to show you in this video. Samsung today has launched two brand new smartphones, the Galaxy A30s and the A50s. S maybe stands for super and it's like an upgrade to their previous series, the A50 and the A30 smartphones guys. The A30s is more like a budget category product. It's priced somewhere around like 15 to 16,000. I'm not exactly sure about the pricing of these phones guys because these were actually under embargo while they were sent for review. And the A50s is more like a mid-range category smartphone guys and is going to be priced somewhere around 20 to 22,000 rupees. I'll tell you about the pricing details at a later part in the video. First, let's get started with the unboxing. Okay, then let me show you the box packaging of the phone. The A50s comes in this sort of packaging. The box packaging looks pretty much similar to the previous A and M series phones guys. We've got the Samsung branding at the top, a picture of the phone on the front and says Galaxy A50s over here. So talking about the colors and the variant, it comes in different variants guys like 4 and 6 GB RAM variants as well as 3 different colors I believe. The one we have right now is a Prism Crush White. So this is the white color variant guys and Samsung calls it as Prism Crush White. I'm like super excited to check it out. Let's see what else is written on the box packing. Going to the back side, we've got all the features and specs of the phone. Let me just show you. As you can see, it says Samsung Galaxy A50s and this one is the 128 GB model guys and comes with 6 gigs of RAM. It's got a 6.4-inch Full HD Infinity U display. That too, it's an AMOLED display guys, Super AMOLED display. And it's got a new triple camera setup and has an on-screen fingerprint scanner. Going down, it says 4G LTE. It's got the latest Exynos octa-core CPU guys. We'll talk about that later in the video. And as I've told you, it's got the 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display and comes with a triple camera setup which includes a 48 megapixel primary camera, a 5 megapixel camera for depth sensing and an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. And on the front side, you've got a 32 megapixel camera. Well, that's it. Those were all of its highlights. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and just cut this seal over here. And one more. Now let's open the box and check out the phone. Here it is guys. On opening the box, we've got the brand new A50s at the top. Let me take it out. Look at this. Wow, this thing looks very nice in white color. We'll just come back to the phone in a moment. Let me just keep it aside and also show you what else do we get in the box packing. We've got a charger over here. Now this is Samsung's fast charger I believe. Yes, this is their 15 watt fast adapter guys. It supports 9 volts at 1.67 amps or 5 volts at 2 amps. Along with that you also get a USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer and also a free pair of earphones in the box. They're the normal earphones guys that you get with most of the budget category Samsung phones, not the premium ones which we would see on the Galaxy S9 or S10 Plus series. So that's it. These are all the items we got in the box packing. Now let's finally check out the smartphone. This is how Samsung's brand new Galaxy A50s looks like. Wow, let me just take it out of this cover. How does this come out? Okay, here it is. Let me remove this outer cover and ta-ta-da! Wow guys, look at this finishing at the back side. Samsung calls it as Prism Crush finish guys because it's got this prism like designs and produces beautiful reflections at the back side. Wow, nice. It's also very slim guys. From my first impressions I can definitely tell it looks like a premium sort of device. Okay, first let me give you a physical overview and then we'll power it on and check it out. On the front side, as I've told you, it's got a 6.4-inch Infinity U Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. Over here, you can observe the Infinity U notch, guys, and this is the 32 megapixel primary front-facing camera. Above that, you've got a small earpiece. If you can observe, this is the earpiece. And that's it. Looks like there's nothing else on the front side. Okay, then we are done. Let me show you what do we have on all the four corners. Going to the top, we've got a secondary noise cancellation microphone. And on the left side, there's a SIM card tray, guys. This phone supports 4G VoLTE. And going to the bottom side, we've got a 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB Type-C port, a primary microphone, and a single down-firing speaker. And going to the right side, we've got some buttons over here. This is a power button and a volume rocker just above that. The quality of the buttons is also nice, feel tactile and clicky. Okay, so that was our look at the front side. Now let me show you the back. Let's just remove this sticker over here, and that's it. Wow, I have to say the Prism Crush White looks very beautiful on this phone. If you can observe, it's got this prism like cuts on the phone. It's a very new thing that I'm seeing, and produces beautiful rainbow like reflections at the back side. Very nice. And I believe the back of the phone is made of polycarbonate material, guys. The build quality looks very nice. We've got the Samsung branding at the center over here, just above the center. I don't know if you can observe, but it's there. And at the top left corner, we've got the camera setup. It's got a triple camera setup. One is a 48 megapixel primary camera with f2 aperture. The second one is an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, guys. And the third one is a 5 megapixel camera for depth sensing. And below that, you've got a single LED flashlight. That's it. There's nothing else on the backside, guys. So that was our complete look and overview on this phone, the Galaxy A50s. Now let me just power it on and give you all a first look at this phone. And in the meantime, let me just tell you the specs of this phone. The Samsung's Galaxy A50s comes with a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity U display. It's powered by Exynos brand new 9611 octa-core CPU, which is based on a 10nm process. It comes with 6 gigs of RAM, has 128 GB of onboard storage, and talking about the cameras, at the backside we've got a brand new triple camera setup. One is a 48 megapixel primary camera with f2.0 aperture, the second one is an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and the third one is a 5 megapixel camera for depth sensing. And going to the front side, we've got a new 32 megapixel camera with f2.0 aperture. Talking about the battery, this phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery and also supports fast charging. Well, those were all of its specs. Now let's continue with the video. Alright guys, I'm back. I've completely set up the phone and this is how it looks like. The Galaxy A50s also comes with always on display. You can check out the always on display over here, and by tapping on the screen you can wake up the phone. And this is how the display on this brand new phone looks like. It's got a beautiful 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with the Infinity U notch at the top. Just check it out guys. The display looks very nice from my first impressions. It looks punchy, bright, sharp, and also the colors look very nice. The bezels on it are also quite thin. Let me just give you a closer look at the phone and show you the display. Very nice, right? It's got very thin bezels on all the three sides, but we do have some slight thick bezel on the bottom one. Talking about the OS, this phone comes with Android 9 out of the box and runs on Samsung One UI. As you can see, we've got the same Samsung One UI sort of interface running on it, just like the other Galaxy series phones. And everything feels very smooth. It's got a very smooth UI, everything just glides on it. Okay, let me just go to the settings and show you the about phone section. I told you just now, right, it runs on Android 9 operating system. The One UI version is 1.5 and the security patch it's running out of the box is August 2019. Talking about the storage section, let's see how much storage is available on it out of the box. Device care and storage. I've told you right at the beginning, this is the 128 GB model. So let me just turn down the brightness so you can check it out more clearly. As you can see, out of that 128 GB, we are left with around 107.4 GB of available space. The rest all is all occupied by the pre-installed apps and features. Okay guys, so that was our quick look at the about phone section on this phone. And before I end this video, let me also quickly show you the camera app on the phone. This is how the camera app looks like guys. The UI looks pretty similar to the most of the Samsung phones. One more nice thing is that Samsung has brought flagship camera level features to this phone guys. Like in the video section, it comes with this new super steady video. By turning it on, you're going to get like super stabilized videos guys. We'll be definitely testing that in the full review video. And also it's got some lot of other features which I won't be talking over here guys. This is just an unboxing and first impressions video, right? So we'll just keep it simple. Let's just take some pictures and see how fast the camera shutter is. Oh, that is very fast. Nice. And this is our very first sample shot on the Galaxy A50s. Looks pretty good. Okay, I'll definitely be testing the camera in depth after a few days, and then we'll talk about that in the full review video. Well, that was our unboxing and first look at the Galaxy A50s, guys. It's a very beautiful looking phone, has a beautiful finish at the back. Really like this prism crush finish. Gives a beautiful rainbow reflection kind of effect. Okay guys, I'll end the video over here for today. That was my unboxing and first impressions on this brand new phone from Samsung. So I'll be testing this phone from today for a few days before I can give my full review on this product. In the full review, we'll talk about the display quality, the speaker quality, how is that new Exynos 9611 CPU performing in both normal day-to-day tasks as well as gaming section, and also we'll talk about the camera as well as the battery life. And yes, before I end this video, let me tell you the pricing of this phone. The base variant of the Galaxy A50s, which comes with 4 gigs of RAM, is going to cost you somewhere around like 22,000 rupees, guys, whereas this 6GB edition is going to cost you around 24,000 rupees. I'll leave links to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next video.